Hi, Vivian here from my Keto diet. Are you still on the fence about keto? So you have heard all about keto and you know it's great, but you're still not convinced. Are one of the following barriers holding you back? Number one, overload of overwhelm. When I browse the net and look at some of the keto programs out there, it's like a maze of endless information that confuses the living daylights out of you, and hopefully by the time you eventually digested all the overhyped material, you can get started the same year. Well, it feels like I'm drowning beneath a huge mess of information. They overcomplicate everything for you. Some programs let you know you have to watch 200 videos. It feels like you need to get a degree at Harvard to simply start keto. And all you want to do is start burning fat and heal your body, and they are holding you back. The sooner you start, the sooner you can burn body fat and get your body healthy again. There should be no barrier holding you back. Keto is not difficult. That is why the information in my Keto diet is worth a fortune to you. You won't need anything else. All you have to do is apply the magic. When you join us at my Keto, you can start the same day. Go through our fast start guide and then use our ratio calculator to determine your unique 28-day meal plan, and you are good to go. You can learn on the go. That's why my Keto is so successful. I take you by the hand and help you do keto. It's a one-stop shop and you won't need anything else. Number two, keto is expensive. Look, anything in life can be expensive. If you buy a handbag, Louis Vuitton, it's going to be expensive. But if you buy one at Macy's, it won't. It's just how you approach it that makes a difference. Remember, when you're on keto, you eat far less than on a standard Western diet with the basis being carbohydrates. You see, when you eat carbs, your insulin levels spike, and after a few hours, your levels come crashing down and you are burdened with gnawing hunger pains again. More often than not, you will proceed to eating something that contains carbs again to curb your hunger pains, and this cycle of high and low blood sugar levels go on continuously throughout the day. Once you become fat adapted, you won't feel hungry and sometimes even skip meals. The food on keto is nutrient dense and satiating. Here are a few tips. Buy carbs that are in season. Buy in bulk and freeze. Make your own instead of buying it. Meat. Luckily for us keto people, fattier cuts are less expensive. Also go to your butcher where you will pay less and save. Avos. We ketoists have been blamed for the rise in avo prices. Can you believe that? Buy them green and ripen them at home. Now, medical bills. People who, for example, have reversed their diabetes on keto save up to a whopping $500 per month on their medications. Some people ditch their statins, pain meds, hypertension meds, IBS meds, Nexium, you name it. Plus, visits to the doctor become very rare. Number 3. I dislike healthy food. No, you won't be eating salad 6 times per day. There was this diet I subscribed to, and day one, the first meal, breakfast was a green apple, spinach, and a boiled egg. To make matters worse, no butter to fry the spinach, no nothing. You guessed it, I was out of there faster than greased lightning. Yuck. What really impressed me about the keto diet is the food, fat, butter, meat, seafood. Look at these pictures, wouldn't you agree? P.S. You certainly don't need to be a cordon bleu chef to do keto. Nope, you can go from minutes of prep to hours on keto, whatever you fancy. In fact, why not try our keto pizza? It's to die for. The link for the recipe is in the description. You'll see keto is the best diet ever. Number 4, diet means hunger pains. Yes, that is true in most cases, however, not with keto. Would you believe that most of my clients who complained about hunger pains before starting keto are now doing intermittent fasting with absolutely no hunger pains? Yes, it's true. Have you ever been so hungry on a diet that your stomach would growl, not just subtly, no, embarrassingly so, and you would check your watch for some relief, but no, the time assured you your next meal would be in 3 hours. It's the worst. Mark my words, you will actually feel satiated and later on even skip meals. Number 5, not enough fiber. Ironically, if you replace wheat and refined carbohydrates, calories, with those from vegetables and raw nuts, your fiber intake goes up. Let's have a look. Half of an avocado has 6.75 grams of fiber, whereas 2 slices of whole wheat bread has 2.3 grams of fiber. Need I say more? Number 6, too much protein. No, that is not true. Keto is high fat, moderate protein. Moderate, I don't know where people get this from. They think that the keto diet is the Atkins diet. No, it's moderate protein, low carbohydrates. Number 7, questions. I'm here to help you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me at vivian@myuberdiet.com. Right, so I really enjoyed making this video for you. If you know anybody who would find this information helpful, please share it with them so we can revolutionize our health and help one another. I know it sucks to struggle to lose weight and correct health, but pure bliss when you do succeed. Wouldn't you agree? Personally, I wouldn't attempt just any keto diet without having a proven step-by-step guide to follow. And this is especially true if you want to save time, money, and frustration. I mean it. This is why we at My Uber Keto Diet created our ratio-based 28-day meal plan customized to your individual needs. And this, my friend, is the cornerstone of a successful keto diet. You are unique. A one-size-fits-all approach does not work. Click on the link in the description and join us today, and I will see you on the inside.